Hi, I'm Susie Fabricini from susiefabricini.com. I am an advocate for financial empowerment through education. And today I'm going to talk to you about part 2 of how to make a really simple budget. So, in the first part, we talked about tracking the expenses and the income for a month. So we were putting all of we put our description in the first row, then we did our income in the second row, and we listed our expenses in the third row. So here we have drinks with friends, $50, went to movies, $20, paycheck, $400, groceries, $45, rent, $400, haircut, $25, babysitting, took in $30, got another paycheck for $400. So we have all these different expenses listed here. Now we're going to take the expenses and we're going to put them into the budget form. So we're going to take another piece of paper, and this time we're going to start out, we're going to put our income at the top of the page, and we're going to divide it up this time into estimated and actual. And we'll do one of these for each month. So last month we did the tracking for July, so this will be the August. So you can see this is for the month of August. This is the section we're going to put the income, estimated, and actual. So for income, we had 3 paychecks. So we'll put down paychecks and we'll add them together. And that was $400 per paycheck. So now we're going to put $1,200 under the estimated column. The actual is at the end of August. We're going to put our numbers into the actual column. So this is, we're taking the July numbers that we have and we're putting them into estimated. And so we had the paychecks, we had babysitting as another source of income, and we did babysitting once and we made $30. So we'll put 30 here. Now, if you know that there's something else that you do, you would that brings in money, you can add it on the next line. Or if one of these is different than it normally is, like if you normally get 4 paychecks, then instead of putting $1,200 here, then you put the $1,600. And then we're going to add up. 1,230 would be 1,230 for our total. So we have the total. Now we're going to put down our expenses. And we're going to look at when we do our expenses now, we're going to group them in categories. So we have drinks with friends, that sort of entertainment, went to movies, and then what else is entertainment in here? Looks like that's it. So drinks with friends, $50, went to movies, $20. So for entertainment, we're going to put $70. So entertainment, $70. So we'll check off those, that we put those in. Next, we're going to have groceries, $45. So we put that in. Groceries, $45. Next one, rent, $400. So rent, $400. And next we've got haircut. Well, haircut comes under personal care. So we look down here, haircut, what else is personal care? Mani-pedi. So haircut 25, mani-pedi 30, so that's $55 for personal care. And then we're going to keep going down until we have all of our expenses listed. Okay, so now we have all of our items transferred over to this side. And so now we're going to add up the expenses. So we have entertainment, $70, plus groceries, $45, plus rent, $400, plus personal care, $55, plus loan payment, $85, plus gasoline, $55, plus cell phone, $70, plus car payment, $185, equals. So that comes up to $965. So we have the total outgo, total income here. Now we're going to make another line and we're going to say income minus outgo. So the income is $1,230. The outgo is $965. And now we're going to subtract $1,230 minus $965 equals $265. So you should have $265 left over. Now, if you don't have $265 left over, or whatever this number is, then you know you missed something. But that's our balance. And now we have an idea of what numbers to shoot for. And we can look at these numbers and see if we want to change some and shoot for something different. So if we figured out we have some expenses missing, we can add those back in. And then maybe we want to add in a savings so that we start putting some money aside. Now we know that we had 265 over. If that was accurate, we can put that 265 in under savings. Let's say we put 250 for savings, and that way it gives you a little bit of a bumper. And that's what you would shoot for the next month. When August comes around, at the end of August, you put your numbers down in this column, and then you see how did you do. So you're going to keep tracking your numbers like we did over here for the month of August. You're going to put the numbers down in this row and see how it compares. And then when you go to September, you put your new estimated based on your previous amounts and see how you did. Okay? So if that was simple and easy to understand for you, put down simple in the comments boxes so I know. Or if you have some questions, go ahead and put those in the comments. And if you enjoyed this, do a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, do a thumbs down. And please subscribe to my channel by hitting that little button there that says subscribe. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.